In this video, we will see how to add multiple stocks at once in the TradingView watchlist using a simple hack. While the article gives you step-by-step guidance, it also answers related questions like: how many stocks can I add in TradingView watchlist? How do I import stocks into TradingView? How do I import symbols into Tradeview watchlist? How do I add multiple symbols to my TradingView watchlist? How do I add symbols to my watchlist? The method discussed here will work for free and paid TradingView subscribers both. We are going to complete this task in 4 easy steps. 1. Find the ticker symbol data for all the stocks that you want to add. 2. Clean up the data and format the list for TradingView. 3. Find the abbreviation for the stock exchange name. 4. Add all stocks at once to your TradingView watchlist. So, let's get into it right away. TradingView catalogs each chart by pairing the ticker name or symbol of the instrument with its parent exchange. So Apple, a stock listed on the Nasdaq, is identified as Nasdaq. AAPL and the American Express Company listed on the New York Stock Exchange is identified as NYSE, AXP on TradingView. So if I want to add all S&P 500 constituents to my watchlist, I need a list of all 503 stocks with their ticker or symbol name, and if I want to add all FTSE 100 constituents to my watchlist, I need a list of all 100 stocks with their symbol name, preferably in a Microsoft Excel file. You can use the resource links given in the description box to get the symbol name data. Once you have the file with symbol names, open the file and delete all other columns except the symbol column. Next, make sure that you have less than 1,000 stocks listed here, as TradingView does not allow more than 999 stocks on a watchlist. If you want to add more than 1,000 stocks, you will need an active trial or a paid subscription so you can create multiple watchlists. A workaround would be to activate 30 days free trial and create multiple watchlists. Then even if you cancel the trial, your watchlists would not be deleted. Now we need to remove all after spaces and before spaces, if any. If column A has your symbols, go to cell B1 and type =trim A1, then press Enter on your keyboard. Now click on cell B1 once again to select it and move the mouse pointer to the lower right corner of the cell so the pointer looks like a plus sign. Then double-click without moving your mouse pointer so the trim formula gets copied to all other cells and all cells in column B with data get selected. Now copy the selected cells and click the Paste Values option on the ribbon at the top, or use Ctrl+Shift+V shortcut on the keyboard. We have successfully removed all after spaces and before spaces and cleaned the data. Next, we need to check if any symbol name has ampersand or dash characters and replace them with an underscore, because TradingView does not recognize ampersand and dashes in the symbol name. Delete column A so the cleaned data from column B will shift to column A. Select the entire column and press Ctrl+H on the keyboard to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In Find Box Type, and then in the Replace Box Type underscore, then click Replace All button. Next, click OK. Repeat the process with a dash if your symbol names have dashes too. Our data is ready for reformatting. Go to cell B1 and type =concatenate NYSE A1. Replace NYSE in the above line with an abbreviation for the stock exchange where your stocks are listed. For example, LSE for London Stock Exchange, and NSE for National Stock Exchange in India. If you do not know the abbreviation, you can search for one of the stocks manually in TradingView and you will see the abbreviation mentioned against your stock name. If the first stock that you are trying to add is Apple, after adding the formula above, the cell B1 should display Nasdaq, AAPL. Now click on cell B1 once again to select it and move the mouse pointer to the lower right corner of the cell so the pointer looks like a plus sign. Then double-click without moving your mouse pointer so our formula gets copied to all other cells and all cells in column B with data get selected. We are almost done. Open TradingView and select your watchlist. Click on the Add Symbol Plus button next to the watchlist name. Once the Add Symbol box appears on the screen, paste all the copied data into the search bar and press the Enter key on the keyboard. There we go. All your stocks are added to the watchlist. Let us know if this tweak worked for you in the comments. Also, which issues you would like us to solve next.